Hi, today I'm here to teach you how to solve this, and the first step is to get the cross, which not very hard. Alright, the first step to getting the cross is, that's what you have to do. And you have to pick a side. Let's just pick blue. And then you have to make sure all the corner pieces, blue and red, you have to match them up. Blue and white, you have to match it up. Blue and orange, match it up. Blue and yellow, match it up. And then for inserting these corner pieces, you can just find the corner piece, put it in the right spot. So this is blue, orange, and white. So now we can go find the blue, orange, and white side. Blue, orange, and white, here it is. So come back over here, we take this piece, put that back up. Blue, orange, and white. Take that down. And we can put it in, and now you have your corner piece. That one went in good. So most of your pieces won't go in perfectly. This piece right here, there's another piece. That went in good. We found the blue, white, and red. Put that in there. And that one went in good too. But this next one, I don't think will go in right. So there. That one did not go in right. So once you get all your corner pieces in, you can just have them anyway. And just repeat this until it goes in the right way. Down, over, up, down, down, over, up, down, down, over, up, down, down, over, up, down. See, and eventually it will go in the right way. And the key to getting the first side is making sure all these line up and this whole first layer is the same.